Hey guys, how's it going? So in this video we're going to be talking about Hexo and their reverse split. So Hexo is having a reverse split because they can't seem to get their stock price over $1 because it's harder to be profitable than it's hard to be profitable apparently selling MJ. And that's the reality of these MJ stocks. And Hexo is still, I would consider Hexo kind of overvalued at 346 billion. So my gamble failed. I bought some call options, and I'm probably gonna have to sell them out at a loss. But hey, whatever. That's the scenario. So what I think is going to happen, I think that the stock's probably going to drop down to around 50 cents, maybe 55 cents before the reverse split. But news came out. Hexo Corporation announces proposed share consolidation. It's a nice way of saying reverse split for the stock of 8-1 because they have to keep the stock below $1. So sorry, their stock can't fall below $1 for consecutive 30 days of trading, and it's been below that for a long time. And they're doing a reverse split, scheduled to be held on December 11th. Will be submitted to the company's shareholder for approval at the annual special meeting of shareholders scheduled held on December 11th, 2020. So yeah, it's 8-1. I don't know, where's the 8-1 split? Right here. So 8-1 split. So the stock is going to be trading, depending on the split, around $4 or $5. The shares structure right now is about 480 million. So 480 divided by 8, they'll have a total of 60 million shares. That's not a lot of shares. That's a really tight share structure. Really tight float once the split happens. So we'll see where the stock goes after the split, but I knew this was coming. The company probably wanted it. Does this mean that it's over for Hexo because they have a reverse split? No. Workhorse had a reverse split. Nano Dimension had a 50-1 reverse split. There's a lot of companies that have the reverse split. It's all about investor sentiment. If they can somehow turn a profit in the future and make some money, or get taken, or do something amazing, the stock will pop sometime in the future, eventually, when they finally become profitable. In my opinion. Anyways, that's just my opinion. So, Hexo, earnings were horrible. I mean, their revenue grew, but that's about it. They still lost a ton of money. They lost $169 million. They lost their operational expenses was 71 million. Their gross profit was 8 million. Loss from operations was 106 million. Nothing positive to say about the company. They lost a ton of money. So, and this is a Q4 earnings report, so I can't even figure out like what exactly they lost on, because I looked on Sedar, and in Sedar it's audited for the financial statement, annual financial statement, so I can only get the full year. But from a cash position, they have 184 million. Their property and plant is 285. So their total asset is about 500 million. Is it undervalued at $500 million? Fair value, I guess. So, I don't know. At the end of the day, stocks are worth as much as shareholders are willing to fork the money out. So, we'll see what happens. Their revenue is 110 million for the entire year. their gross profit was negative 57 million. They lost a total of 546 million for the entire year, which is a lot of money. A lot of money. So, yeah, that's all I really have to say about that. Moving forward, the market rate today, starting off the day, is red. What I think is going to happen is the market is going to be volatile. We might see a little bit of green during the day of trading, but I think it'll dip back into the red near the end of the day. That's just my opinion anyways. We'll see if that happens. Gold is slightly up. Silver is slightly up. We'll see where that goes. Aurora this morning is down 4 cents. I think Aurora should be down lower. It seems like big money don't want to give up on Aurora yet. I don't know. They don't care if the stock gets diluted. Because if I was big money, I'd sell this thing. But hey, big money don't want to sell Aurora. And they seem to be buying up the dips on Aurora. So they don't care about getting diluted. Canopy Growth is down 31 cents after hours. Kron is down $1.10. Afria is down 3 cents. Tilray is down 20 cents this morning. Twitter is down $8.14. For anybody that's interested in buying Twitter, watch the chart. Watch for oversold conditions on the day. Buy the dip, sell the rip, because it's going to dip and then it's going to bounce back, a deadcat bounce. At least that's my opinion anyways. This is not financial advice. So you could make like an easy 5%, 5 to 10% maybe on Twitter stock. So, no, that's what I think is going to happen. I could be wrong. We'll see what happens. Just pure speculation from, seeing stocks drop all the time. There's always a bounce. Always a bounce. I've always seen a bounce on a big drop. Snap. Snap is overvalued, in my opinion. Maybe they are doing something super crazy, and that's why rich people are pumping it. That maybe there's something in the earnings report that they talk about that is super crazy, that, makes rich people excited and they want to pump the stock $20 billion. I don't know at the end of the day. I don't know what exactly is happening within the company internally. Sometimes not all about earnings. Sometimes, maybe. This is just a pump a dump for eventually. I don't know. I don't know what's going on with Snap, but the market cap makes no sense. Pinterest is more valuable than Twitter now. It is down $1.15 after hour. Solo seems like a pump and dump. Solo, pump and dump. But we'll see where that goes. Neo is down a little bit, but yesterday's pump pullback makes sense. And on top of that, the market is red. But we'll see where rich people pump this stock. I mean, it could be worth more than AMD in the future. Tesla is down $5.33 up after pre-market. Not really too much to say about that. AMD down 67 cents pre-market. We'll see where that goes. Xilinx is down $1.90. Apple is down $4.32. Apple's earnings were okay. Not too bad, I guess. They beat expectations, but see declines in sales. Google did really good, probably. I don't know. I didn't even look at the earnings. But it's up $97. Amazon did amazing, and it's down $46, 1.43%. Facebook did pretty good, but the users declined by like 2 million or something. And but the company still makes an insane amount of money. Here's Facebook again. Arcimoto, no pre-market trading at the moment. Blink is down $6.87. 6.48%. Not too much to say about that. Buy the dip for the bounce. I don't know. Actually. I don't know what. Right now, it looks like it's downtrending, in my opinion. So I think it's gonna go down to around $6. Man, if you got this thing at $1, you make it off like mad money. Switchback Energy down 22 cents. Spartan Energy SPAQ is officially merged with Fisker, and they're supposed to be trading under FSR, but I can't find it. Well, maybe eventually I'll find it, but right now I can't. But anyways, this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.